oh shoot, y'all. Check the claws. They used a new kind of like nude colored powder, and then they just did, like for the acrylic, and then they did a gel top coat on them, and I'm like really digging them. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta go change because this is not the right attire to go see Jason Aldean. Here we go. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you notice that I'm being a little bit quiet in this video, it's because my little guy is sleeping next door. And it is like going on midnight. But I have been so excited to film this video for you guys because I got something, you guys. Okay, so everybody asked me about like the extensions I wear, everything like that, right? Well, I have my extensions in right now, but they've gotten a little bit of a chemical haircut since I've been lightening them so much. Oh, life of a hairstylist. It's fine. It's just color. It's just hair, right? Basically, my extensions now only add fullness to my hair. They don't really add a whole lot of length. So I wanted to try out some new extensions, okay? Normally I go to Sally's and I get, you know, a couple of the different brands there, and I have talked about those in previous videos, but y'all, I had been seeing so much about this. Have y'all heard of hidden crown extensions? You guys, I'm so excited to try these. But, okay, here's the thing. I did not get the actual hidden crown one, okay? Like the one that goes around the head. Strictly for the reason of my head is like super sensitive when it comes to wearing anything around it like this. I get headaches really easily, so I was so scared to fork out all this money on extensions and then me not be able to wear them because of the placement of them. So I did actually get the clip-in ones, but there's only 3 wefts. There's 1 for the back and 2 for the sides. I'm excited. Okay, so let's see how this is packaged first off. It's got this like nice thick bubble wrap that it came in, okay? I haven't even like opened it up all the way, you guys. I like peeked at it to see if the color was gonna be good, and the color is phenomenal, just saying. So it comes in this case here, okay? This is a travel case for it. I was checking it out and I'm like, oh my god, it has a travel case. So yes, you can travel with your hair. You don't have to travel with it in. So there is a zipper right here. Here is the hair itself. So this is the color I got. This one is, I'm trying to see what number it said it was. This was number 60 that I ordered, and I want to say it was like platinum blonde or lightest blonde. I'll look at the color for you and clarify, but it is number 60. I'll show you here. Right here. But I just think it's gonna be really good because it's that like nice platinum blonde. I'm not gonna have to really lift it with bleach or anything. So I'm looking forward to that. My extensions will last longer because obviously when I bleach them, they don't last me very long. I'm hard on my hair, y'all. Okay, so before I open up the hair, I'm gonna show you guys what else came in this. It also has a hanger, you guys, a hanger. I'm trying to see how this worked again. So you flip this down and then this opens up and you clamp the hair in there, lock it, okay? And then you can hang it on the inside of this, and that's how you travel with it. So it's like, it's a nice hanging case. Treat my hair better than I treat most of my like dresses and clothes that I travel with. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so then here is the little booklet that comes with it. It actually gives you, so it gives you a crop clip, one of these babies, okay? It gives you one of those. And then it also comes with, it actually came with a couple different swatches, and I would assume that that's probably just like in case the hair didn't match, it's giving you a couple similar swatches to see like if one of these would work better, okay? So it gave me 22 and 613. 613 and 22, okay? So those are the two that it gave me. And I mean, they're really pretty, but they're a little bit more on the like golden side. And I definitely wanted the ashier side of the blonde. Ashy. We ashy over here, okay? Apparently I got a Jersey accent. Jersey. I don't know. Y'all, I need to go to bed. And then okay, then it also came with a tail comb, which, I mean, you always need one of these. I don't know about any of y'all, but retired hairstylist here, I always need a tail comb. Or I just use my nails. That's literally why I get this shape, so that I can part. Okay, back on track. But nice little tail comb, give you nice clean partings, stuff like that, okay? Feels like good quality, and I like that it's got the really fine teeth, and it does have their little emblem on there. All right, so this one actually shows you how to put in the crown, the hidden crown kind, okay? It shows you how to basically how to put in all of them. They have crown toppers. These are the ones I got the clip in. And then I did see the only other one that I considered, the ponytail, but you know, I wear my hair down a lot. But this one I thought would be really cool to have in my arsenal eventually. The ponytail, so that way it's literally just a clip-in ponytail, but I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this hair up, and I got the 24-inch ones. I'm so extra. I'm honestly probably gonna use a few of my old extensions just to help blend layers, because I have shorter layers up top. Look at this hair, you guys. It's so long, like look at this. Yes, I have pajama shorts on, don't judge. Literally, like, it's like down to my belly. This is gonna be a riot. Okay, here is the top up here. So what we're gonna do, and then it looks like it comes with 2 extra clips right here too. It even labels it. Extra clips. But look at this blonde. Isn't this blonde pretty? I think I'm going to, because obviously I have like the light pink in my hair, I think I am going to use my viral shampoo that I used in the last extension video, and I'm going to use it in the same manner, but I'm just going to put the pink shampoo right up at the top, and then I'm going to let it fade down to the cooler blonde. So it's going to be kind of a pink to blonde ombre, I think. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so this hair feels so good. Feels much better than my extension. Look at how freaking, like, oh my god. There's only 3 wefts, you guys, but they are, I believe they're double layered. And I will probably do a little bit of cutting on the ends, and then just because I like to have my ends a little bit more wispy, I'll probably do just a tiny bit of layering, not a ton. I don't really want to take a whole lot of hair out of these, but I will probably adjust them a little bit, and just so that it blends with my hair. I'm OCD about blending. Okay, so here are the clips, this little tag here. This tells you the color. So I'll probably cut this little guy off, but they are double layered here. That's why they are thicker. So I don't know if I can show you. So let me just show you what I mean by double layered. So here is the first layer right here, and then you lift this up, and underneath you can see there's a second layer. Okay, so they have them, but basically by double layering them like this, I know why they did it like this, which that's kind of why I was enticed to go this route, because it's quicker to put in, and you're not going through and like clipping in a bunch of different wefts as you're going up. You're more so just getting this one in, getting your side pieces in, and you're done. So it's just 3 pieces and it's 9 clips. So there's 3 clips on each weft, okay? So the clips, you just snap open like that. And it does even have the silicone right here. So that silicone on there actually prevents it from slipping on the hair. So you don't want your hair slipping out, okay? You don't want to lose a weft of hair going down the road. Don't grab my weave, girl. I am so extra. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my lord. These are so long. They're so long. I'm gonna have some long hair, y'all. Okay, so this is the back piece, okay? And then this is the side piece right here. So I'm gonna show you if I get it situated. So right here, this longer one on top, this right here is the back piece, and then this one under here, these are the side pieces, okay? So you can see the difference in length there, and both of the side pieces are the same size. So they're all the same length, and I'm probably gonna add some like facial framing, my layers and stuff. Look at this, you guys. It goes past my belly button. I'm definitely gonna be trimming and adding layers. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, so all in all, I really like the texture of the hair and the thickness of them. I like that there's only 3 wefts to work with. And for me, like I said, I personally went the route of the clip-ins just because of the fact that my head is super sensitive and I get headaches very easily. I'm very prone to migraines and all that stuff. I feel like the lighter colored eyes, anyone else, like, if you have light eyes, like, do you have issues with migraines and all that stuff? Like, does light affect your eyes? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Okay. Anyways, I get off track. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so I am going to do some washing on them with my light pink viral shampoo. Okay, I can drop the link to that below. And then I will kind of come back and update once I have clipped them in, and I'll show you where I put them and how they look and my final review on them, okay? So here we go. I'm so excited. New hair, y'all. New hair. Oh my gosh. So stay tuned for part 2 when I show you guys all of the like final stuff with this, okay? If you have any questions or anything like that, I'd be happy to respond. Go ahead and drop them down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys next time with real long hair, okay? Bye, guys.